So friends, recently Xiaomi launched its new fitness band. Name is Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Active, and this earbuds fitness band finally launched in Indonesia, and price is $19. Yani approx 3500 in India. And talking about features, so this first of all you see this fitness band specifications and features, and talking about display size. So display size is 1.47 inch TFT display, and display is some um, nice, okay. And talking about battery backup, so in this smartwatch fitness band, battery backup is 14 days. Means if you charge this fitness band, then you use this fitness band approximately 14 days. And talking about display customization, so if you customize display, then you use watch faces in this fitness band. Watch faces is 100. And talking about charging, battery backup and charging, so this is fitness band charge in approximately 2 hours. And and talking about sports mode, so sports mode in this fitness band 50 plus. And sensors is a heart rate sensor, sleep monitoring sensor, and SpO2 sensor. So this smartwatch, this fitness band is best for health. And Hmm. And price in this video, um, um, so what do you think this fitness band? Please do comments, and thank you for watching this video. And talking about when this fitness band launch in India, so I think this fitness band launch in India in 2024, and confirmed launch date is not revealed at this time. But I think this fitness band launch in India 2024 first quarter. And what do you think? Please do comments, and thank you for watching this video.